Once we've got our dough out, basically it's a matter of putting our ingredients into bowls. So I've got a small one for the cheese, a big one for the spinach. So as we said here, there's 400 grams of feta. Feta does have a tendency to crumble up, so it's just about separating that. And you can add some tasty cheese and mozzarella cheese to that mix. And we have the spinach. All spinach is packed, same with the cheese in the morning. So we've got 320 grams of spinach there, 80 grams per pack. Doesn't have to be exactly 80 grams, but that's a good measurement. The first thing we do when we're making the gozleme is put the spinach. So about a handful is about 80 grams. So you can see that's a good healthy amount. So that's plenty enough for my liking. Always be mindful that you're going to fold the gozleme, so only fill it halfway and try and keep a straight line to make the fold a lot easier. And try and make sure you've got ingredients all the way to the edge. So once you've got your spinach, as I said, 80 grams is quite a healthy portion. You've got some left there. So we'll do the different flavors. The hot and spicy, as I said, the hot and spicy veggie has all the ingredients in the pack ready to go. It's just a matter of turning this into your hand and spreading it out nice and evenly. So try and have a lot of ingredients all over, evenly distributed. We'll make the peri peri chicken next. Again, it's as easy as basically unloading into your hand and spreading it out nice and evenly. And then the Mojo beef. So the Mojo beef is already infused with authentic flavours and fried onion on the inside. Again, just put some into your hand and spread it out. Try and get evenly through to the edges. With the Mojo beef, you do have the Mojo sauce. This is an infusion sauce, so it has to go on the inside. It's not a dipping sauce. Again, nice and evenly. And the last one, I'll just make a normal spinach and feta. Always try and keep your area nice and clean. Basically, when you've got all the ingredients in, it's a matter of putting the feta cheese. Again, what we've measured is 100 grams, so 100 grams is quite a healthy portion. Try and spread it around nice and evenly, so you get ingredients in every bite. So as you can see, there's more than enough ingredients here for the 4. And you don't have to buy the add-ons, so if you wanted the 4 spinach and cheese, you can just buy that. Also available is the vegan option as well. So you can adjust to your taste. Once you've got all the ingredients in and it's nice and evenly spread out towards the edges, time to just tidy up the edges by cleaning up the perimeter, so when you fold over the dough you can actually stick it. So push down with your thumb just to join up the piece. Like so. As I said, if you clean up the perimeter, it just makes it easier to stick.